It's no longer just polar bears who are feeling the effects of climate change. Fierce storms, unseasonal heat waves, and rising sea levels are starting to affect us all. And yet, people and assets are being concentrated in hazard-prone areas. In 2013, weather and climate-related disasters led to 19,000 deaths and $125 billion of economic losses. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions is a must. But governments, businesses, and communities also need to prepare for a changing climate. But what does this look like in practice? Copenhagen is creating new green spaces and waterways to deal with cloudbursts that can dump 15 centimeters of rain in just 2 hours. This reduces the need for expensive drainage upgrades while providing space for recreation and nature. In Toronto, new large buildings are required to have green roofs. These help to keep the city cool during the summer, with a 5 to 15% reduction in electricity use while keeping buildings warm during the winter. Australia is the driest inhabited continent on Earth, so every drop of water counts. Sydney residents are saving around 19 billion litres of drinking water each year thanks to changes in their behaviour, such as watering their lawns during the evening. In Japan, Yokohama faces the opposite challenge of having too much water. They have built a 70,000-seat stadium on stilts to provide space for excess water to go. Mexico is using nature itself to protect water supplies. Farmers are rewarded for preserving forest cover, helping to protect downstream water supplies while also preserving biodiversity. The OECD supports countries' preparations for climate change by bringing public and private actors together, providing analysis and policy advice for adaptation. Working together, we aim to support smart action to tackle climate change.